everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Real Eugie here, and today we have 5 healthy salad dressing, homemade salad dressing, because we're all wondering, is it homemade or store-bought? Which one is better? But guess what, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make 5 different homemade salad dressing. But before that, you know what time it is. We gotta do our shout outs. So a special shout out go to the comments of the week and the channel of the week. Thank you so much for your amazing comments on my last week's video. And not only this, would like to shout out the Instagram story and the Instagram profile. Thank you again, guys, for all of your lovely comments. Thank you, we appreciate you. Continue, guys, to support us. Now that this is out of the way, we're gonna jump right into this awesome video. Okay, so why are we making homemade salad dressing? Store-bought salad dressing have tons of preservatives and, not to say, sugar. And you know what's gonna happen when we have lots of sugar in our bodies, okay? This is not healthy. So I recommend for us to do homemade salad dressing. Why homemade salad dressing? Because it's healthier. How long does homemade salad dressing last? It lasts 2 weeks, guys. So you make your homemade salad dressing, you put it in the fridge, it lasts 2 weeks, and that's it. There's 2 different ways you could do salad dressing. You could either put all of them in a mason jar, you shake it up, or what you could do is use a blender, put all your ingredients in a blender and blend it up, and then that's it. You have homemade salad dressing. It's healthy, it's whole grains, whole foods, and you know what's in there, and everything is much more healthier. So try it out. So today the first thing we're gonna try is apple cider salad dressing. And this is it. Look at this. Look how amazing and yummy this is. Okay, doesn't it look great? This is it, our apple cider vinegar salad dressing. Next up, guys, we have Italian red wine vinaigrette. Actually, this one is one of my favorite, okay? So I love this one. And again, easy peasy. You got your bottle here. You're gonna put half cup olive oil. So you're gonna pour your half cup olive oil in here. Next one is gonna be your red wine vinegar. Next one, Italiano. Right? And then your last yummy one is gonna be 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. And again, you know what time it is. All you do is shake, shake, shake. And this is it. That's it, guys. Simple as this. Okay, guys, next up it's our avocado vinaigrette. And this one is also one of my favorites because if you guys don't know, I'm vegan and also I love avocado. a healthy fat, and I just love avocado, okay? Look at me sharing all my little tips and tricks with you guys. Oh my gosh, I must love you guys. I do love you guys. Thank you. Okay, so starting with our avocado vinaigrette, you're gonna use, this time we're gonna be using the food processor, okay? So this one is like also easy peasy. You take all your ingredients, you put it in the food processor, and there it is, just like that. So first we're gonna start with our white wine vinegar. We're gonna use it, cover this, and blend. Now that we're done blending, this is it, guys. Take it out. And the best thing to do is use a spatula with this one because it's a creamy one. An avocado. And this is it, look at that. Look at that. Look, that's it. Just like that. This one is a creamy salad dressing. And just like that, our avocado vinaigrette is done. Okay, guys. Next up is honey mustard. As you all notice, most of the healthy homemade salad dressing I'm sharing have recurring ingredients like garlic, the apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, just so on and so forth. And most of those things we all have in our pantries, in our fridge. So it's very easy. So let's move on to our honey mustard salad dressing. So we need and you know what time it is. This is it, guys. Our honey mustard salad dressing. Okay, guys, and last but not least, we're gonna show you how to make the cilantro lemon. So first you're gonna, again, olive oil. So half cup olive oil. You pour it in your mason jar bottle or your fancy bottle like me. I'm trying to be fancy for you guys, see? I'm not even using my mason jar bottle. Maple syrup. It's gonna be 2 tablespoons maple syrup. So you're gonna pour that in. We're gonna use some Italiano seasoning. 1 tablespoon Italiano seasoning. Lime. So 1 lime. 1 lime juice. Salt, sea salt, of course. 1 teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 spoon ground pepper. And garlic. 1 tablespoon garlic. I love garlic. I love ground garlic. I feel like it makes everything taste good. And our cilantro, of course, because it's called cilantro lime. This time I'm going to be using my tip of my fingers to try to put it in my bottle because my bottle is a bit smaller than a regular mason jar bottle. Gonna put it in there. And as you know what time it is. Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. And this is it. Our cilantro lime salad dressing. Looks so good. And it is good. Like, it's so fresh. It's so nice. It reminds me of back home, St. Lucia. I love it. So this is it, guys. All the different salad dressings. So notice, since we've done some of them before, they're separating. That's normal. That's okay. Once ever you're ready to use it up, you shake it up and then you're ready to go. If you put it in the fridge and you notice that the olive oil is all cold and you could see again drastically it's separating, that's normal. Don't worry about it. You're gonna take it out of the fridge, you put it out for 20 minutes just before you serve it, you shake it up and it will be ready to go. This one I have it in the fridge. I made this one yesterday. So again, homemade salad dressing. It's easy, it's fun, and most important, it's healthier for you. Thank you again, guys, for watching, and I will see you next time.